Hi all, this is Dr. Reshmi. In this video, we are going to see about amniotic fluid. Definition: amniotic fluid is the protective liquid contained by the amniotic sac of a pregnant woman. Origin: it is mixed maternal as well as fetal in origin. The fetal origin is from fetal urine, which constitutes about 600 ml, and from the fetal lung secretions, which constitutes about 350 ml. Circulation: the water in the amniotic fluid is completely changed and replaced in every 3 hours. Volume: the amniotic fluid volume is related to the gestational age. It measures 50 ml at 12 weeks, 400 ml at 20 weeks, and it reaches a peak of 1 liter at 36 to 38 weeks. At term, which means at 40 weeks, it measures about 600 to 800 ml. Post term, there is further reduction of 200 ml. Physical features: it is alkaline in nature. The specific gravity is 1.010. The osmolarity of 250 milliosmos per liter is suggestive of fetal maturity. Color: in pregnancy, it is colorless. Near term, the amniotic fluid is straw colored. Abnormal color of amniotic fluid: green color indicates meconium stained liquor. It usually indicates fetal distress. It is again graded into thin, thick and pea soup appearance. Pea soup appearance means thick amniotic fluid with flakes. Golden color in case of RH incompatibility. Greenish yellow in post maturity. Dark colored in concealed hemorrhage and dark brown in intrauterine death. Abnormal color of amniotic fluid indicates immediate delivery of the baby. Composition: it contains 98 to 99% of water and 1 to 2% of solid constituents. The solid constituents is again classified into organic, inorganic and suspended particles. The organic contains protein, glucose, urea, uric acid, creatinine, total lipids, prolactin, insulin and renin. Inorganic constituents contains sodium, chloride and potassium. Suspended particles contains lanugo, squamous epithelial cells from fetal skin, vernix caseosa, cells from respiratory tract, bladder and vagina of the fetus. Function: its main function is to protect the fetus. During pregnancy, it protects the fetus from injuries, maintains an even temperature, allows for growth and free movement of the fetus, prevents adhesion between the fetal parts and amniotic sac, serves as a cushion for the growing fetus, facilitate exchange of nutrients, water and biochemical products between the mother and the fetus. During labor, it helps in dilatation of the cervix, guards against umbilical cord compression, and it prevents ascending infection to the uterine cavity. Clinical significance of amniotic fluid: it helps in the well-being and maturity of the fetus. When the amniotic fluid is less, it is called as oligohydramnios. When the amniotic fluid is more, it is called as polyhydramnios. And amniotic fluid embolism: it is a serious condition when the amniotic fluid or the fetal material enters the mother's bloodstream. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video.